Hey everybody, it's me, Phyllis, coming at you with another video. Hey, I hope everyone is doing good today. I am coming to you with another Ipsy bag reveal, and yeah, so this is for the month of September. Yeah, September. But before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and don't forget to hit that notification button so that you won't miss any of my uploads. Okay, so this month's bag, Ipsy bag, looks like this. And I'm sure a lot of y'all have seen these already. These are so cute. I just love the lashes on here. So it's like a black and gold bag, and it's black all on the back, and then the little tassel has Ipsy on it. So, and then the zipper is gold. It's really cute, real cute bag. So on the inside of the bag you get a card, and it says, here's the card, it says, the question isn't who is going to let me, it's who is going to stop me. Okay, yes, I love that. And again, this is September 2018's bag, so this is really cute. And then of course you get a 30% cash back on all of the items that are in the bag. So I'm just gonna pick whatever comes out. So the first thing we have here is a green tea primer. It's Prep and Protect Vegan, and it's by E and E, I believe, and it looks like this. And it just basically says it's paraben free and it's cruelty free, and it's by EVO Beauty Group. EVO. So let's just kind of go in here and see what this is all about. It has a little thingy protectant on here, and again, this is a primer. So if I can just get this off for you guys, I can kind of tell you, let you see the consistency of it, and see if it has, oh my god, really? It doesn't look like I'm going to be able to get this off. That's okay. I got a little bit off. So here is what it's looking like right here. That's the consistency of it. And it feels really, it goes on a little heavy, but it blends in, it goes in really nice, but it kind of has a little heavy feel to it, and the smell is okay. Yeah, the smell is okay. But yeah, it went in really well, and now my skin is very soft, and so yeah, it went on heavy and tacky, but then it blends right in, so I love that. But what I don't love is I can't get the thingy off. That's what I'm having an issue with today. Okay, here we go. I got it. Oh my god, yeah. So yeah, I don't want to waste it, but yeah. So that's what this is. And of course it has a little thingy on it. So yeah, it's a green tea primer, Prep and Protect. So I can't wait to try that out. Okay, the next thing I have is a Makeup Forever Ultra HD Protector, blurring skin tint with sunscreen. And so it comes in a little box like this, and I guess this is a primer too. Oh no, it's actually a foundation. Here's the color, and the color is, it just has 10 on here. It just says HD, Ultra HD Advanced Formula, looks invisible on the 4K camera and to the naked eye. Protect for the makeup pros and for you. It's a new generation of skin tint that instantly blurs in perfectly even skin for a healthy luminous finish. So let's just dig into this and see. Okay, so that's what it looks like. So I'm going to put that right on top of that primer. There it goes. So I guess it's like a skin tint or something. I need to oh yeah, that's what it looks like, and it went right on top of that primer really nice, as you can see. It's real nice. So but yeah, I guess it's a foundation. You know, I like for things to tell me what it is, but I guess it's a foundation, and it's like a light tint, so it's more of a lightweight foundation, and it does have sunscreen. So it says a blurring skin tint with sunscreen. So I definitely would try this out, and then if I like it, I may just go and buy the bigger size product. So yeah, okay, so that's that. And then the next thing I have, that's number 2. Number 3 is a Steve Laurent, and this is a blush. It is a blush, and let's just see, here's the packaging, and here is the container or the product, and let's just see. This is called Blush. I'm blushing, sorry. And that's a real pretty color blush. So we're gonna see what this looks like. Oh, that's real pretty. I don't know if y'all can see that on camera. It's right here. Y'all have to excuse, this is the lipstick I have on here. I was testing it to see what it looks like, and it didn't come all the way off, so yeah. But this is the blush right here, and it's really, really pretty. I really like that. It's real pretty. And this is by Steve Laurent, and it's called I'm Blushing. Okay, the next thing we have is a tray. Let's see. This is like a lip glaze, and it's called English Rose is the color, and Tracinique, I think is what it's called. I know you can't see that here on camera. I would definitely put the name somewhere on this video, but it comes off, here's the top, and it comes off like this, and this is the color right here, and let's just see what this is all about. And this is the color right here. So I don't know if I really like this color for myself. I would really have to test it out and see, but it's a lip glaze, so it's kind of a lightweight lip gloss. I would say more of a lip gloss, and you know, I'm into the matte type lip stain, I mean not lip stain, but lipsticks and things like that, lip colors. I just like them bold and matte, you know. But I do take that back, because I am kind of getting into the lip glosses. I've been trying to try more lip glosses try more lip glosses out. Can you talk today, Phyllis? And I'm slowly but surely getting there, but really this is what I feel, this is what I like. So yeah, so yeah, I don't know if I really like this, but we're gonna move on. And again, this is the color. Okay, and last but not least, we have a Sky Iceland, and this is a limited edition berry lip fix with winter red something. I don't know what that word is. Algae, red algae, with wintered red algae. So I guess that's like a color. and it's in a tube like this, and I got makeup and everything all on my hands, so let me just try to not get this too dirty. And it goes on your lips, and I can't try it out, so let me just try to see if it has a color on here. And it doesn't. It's just a clear lip protectant. So yeah, I can't wait to try that out. So that's it. So, and then plus you get the bag. So far I'm happy with everything that I have. The primer, the lip, of course, these two I'm very excited about. I'm very excited about this this blush. I think this blush is really pretty, and it looks really good on my skin tone. I really like that. So this is really cute. And then I'm not so happy about this, but you know what, I'm gonna try it first, and then I'll probably come back and give you an update on this. But yeah, this is it right here, and it looks okay now that I'm kind of trying. It looks okay. I guess I could just, you know, it could be like an everyday lipstick. It's not something that because I wouldn't wear this to work, but I would wear something like this to work. So it's more of a everyday lip gloss or lip glaze. So yeah, okay, I can really do without that. And then this, the Makeup Ultra Protector. I'm kind of confused. I need to do more research on this to see if this is a foundation, a skin tint lighter than a foundation, or whatever. So I'll definitely will try this out and see how I like it. Okay, I don't know where the camera stopped. I'm sorry, you guys. I get so into filming, I forget that this just automatically cuts off after 12 minutes. So I don't know how far I got, but hopefully you saw everything that came in the bag. This is the 2018 Ipsy bag. I like everything in it except for the lip glaze. I think it's more of an everyday glaze, which is fine. I'm definitely going to try that out and see how it looks on my skin tone. I did like the blush. The blush was awesome for my skin tone. And this is the color blush right here. And this is the lip glaze right here. Now that I'm looking at it, it does look okay. So we'll see. We'll see how everything works out. But I'm interested and very excited to use everything that came in the bag, especially the lip gloss and the primer and the Makeup Forever foundation tint or whatever that is. So I'm really excited about that. And I am going to do more research because I think it's a foundation. It's just not a heavy foundation. It's more of a tint type lightweight foundation that makes your skin look healthy and glowy. And so I mean, what more can you ask for? You really, you know, want your skin to always look healthy and have an even skin tone. So I'm very excited to start to use this. And again, it came in a color 10, so it doesn't have a name color, it just has a number color. So yeah, and I love the bag. So that is it for this video, you guys. Thank you so much for stopping by, and please don't forget on your way out to hit that subscribe button and also hit the bell so that you will be notified every time I upload a video. Thank you for stopping by, and I will see you guys in the next video. Remember to be well. No. Remember to be blessed, be well, and be you. And I will see you guys next time. Bye.